kasama natin yung...
Sponty naman ang naka-idealize pa si Bakit.
Uy, parang ang sarap. Let's taste it.
Yay!
Tapos nabalam.
Naiinis ako. Ba't
Sarap niya.
73 lang ako sa season.
Ngayon,
Bago ka pa umiit. Wait lang.
hardest days.
Talag.
Kapag wala akong nasakyan.
Picture na tayo.
Pause mo na lang to. Dapat kita yung... It says explore the unknown. I bought my first Smisky. I wish that it's the sleeping Smisky or the stress looking Smisky or the cat one, you know. To be in the foil. I want this one. Smisky storytelling. I want Smisky daydreaming or Smisky lying or Smisky thinking. Those three. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? It's a Smisky hiding. Hiding from what? What is he holding? Like, that's cute. But yeah, this is my first baby. The butt. Smell the butt. He could hold my hand. He could just hold my hand. Because I don't have a fucking boyfriend. Maybe this is my boyfriend.